right, here is the Eduard Junkers Ju52/3 M in 1/144th scale. I think that's what it says. Yeah, 1/144th scale. Tiny. So I got this at the hobby shop like over a year ago for like $10 or something. It was on a clearance table. There's one of the sprues. There's another one of the sprues. There's the other sprue. Oh, there's the other. So, where's the other part of the fuselage? There it is. The decals. It even came with some photo etch parts, which I don't know if I'll be able to put those on or not. There's the clear parts. And here's the manual. I'll try to lay it out, open it up. So I can just do this simply. Yeah. There's one manual. Obviously, this is one of the ways you can paint it. I guess that's another way you can paint it. I have one of the junkers in Microsoft Flight Simulator, but it's fun to fly. It's real slow, but it's still fun to fly. Here's another manual. I'm trying to keep my hand at it too. Three, four. I guess it's kind of like three manuals. I guess it's different schemes on each one or something. I don't know. I'll have to study it. Maybe it's the same thing I'm looking at on each one. And here's like 5, 6. I don't know if this opens up or not. It does. 7, 8. Oh, 9, okay. 9. I have to study this one real close. And I'm imagining, oh, no, I guess these are this is the, I think these are the photo etch parts. That's what it appears to be. Yeah, that's gotta be the photo etch parts. Anyway, it's tiny, but hopefully it'll be fun to build. Either that or it'll be frustrating.